Does your scooter start up and then immediately stall? Or does your scooter not start up at all? Does it just crank over? If so, then your problem may be a vacuum leak. We have the petcock right here, just a valve, it's vacuum activated. And then this hose right here goes up to the fuel tank. When the engine's running, a vacuum is created, which keeps the valve open and lets the fuel go down into the carburetor. So if your bike's been sitting a while, then the fuel inside the carburetor bowl evaporates, and then the bike will be hard to start because there's no fuel in there. So you have to crank it for a while to keep this valve open to let the gas go into the carburetor. But if you're cranking and nothing's happening, then more than likely you either got a bad valve here or you don't have a vacuum. So on this bike, I'm going to be replacing these hoses.